Hey there, welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all come on in. This recipe today, we're gonna have cranberry chicken. And it is so simple that I'm almost embarrassed to show you. But we're gonna do it because it is really good and we hadn't had it in a while. Yeah, this recipe meets all my criteria. It is quick, easy, minimal ingredients, and tastes good and doesn't cost a lot of money. Did I say that already? Because that's really important. But anyway, yeah. We're gonna use 2 chicken breasts today, but you can use as many as you need. Then some garlic powder, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of olive oil or regular oil. I just prefer the olive oil, and some whole berry cranberry sauce. We're gonna get this stove turned on to a medium high flame. And we're gonna dump all the ingredients except the chicken into that pot. So we need 1 thing of whole berry cranberry sauce or a can. You can use 1 single can, would be fine. I just happen to have this because I bought it for the holidays and then didn't use it. So now I have to use it. So we're gonna get that in there, just like that. Our 1/4 cup of olive oil. 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. About that much. Garlic's good for you. You can over pour. Now we're just gonna get that mixed up. Okay, we're just gonna get it all nice and combined. And then we're gonna let it come up to a boil and let it boil for just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Okay, we're starting to boil now. I'm getting those nice little bubbles and we're gonna let them boil for 2 minutes. Okay, now all we have to do is take those chicken breasts, lay them in our dish. Make sure you patted them dry. Take our boiling cranberry sauce and pour it all over. Now we're gonna put our cranberry chicken in the oven, preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes or until the juices run clear in our chicken. Here we go. Okay, we are ready to serve. I'm gonna take this leftover rice. I'll set it right there. See, that's a great big piece of chicken. Taste this time. Come on, Randy. It's cold out here. Ooh.
Let's give this chicken a whirl, huh?
Yeah. Let's go ahead and take
Yeah.
it off the...
Yeah, let's do that. Ding, ding, ding. Oh my goodness, Tammy, that is very good.
Okay.
That is really good.
I was really a little worried. I normally use the canned, just the ocean spray cranberry with whole cranberries in it. And I tried that one. And when I tried the sauce, I didn't think it was quite sweet enough. But he's going to town, so it must be.
It's sweet, tangy.
Okay.
The chicken is so tender.
Good. I was worried about that too. That was some of that. You know where the
Nah, with that GMO
chicken. Those huge chicken breast. I was really kind of worried about that. Well, good.
Right up there at 5-star, baby.
All right. All right.
All right, y'all have a good one. I'm gonna go eat my chicken.
Okay. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.